Hello crypto traders, my name is CryptoSteph and welcome to this video about how to save time with HyperTrader and using their limit buys order for saving time and dollar cost average. HyperTrader is a software and terminal engine you can trade and many exchanges, Binance, Bybit, I don't know if FTX will be supported. I will put a link on their software, but this is a quick video about how to save time. People ask me what's so special about HyperTrader. So I will tell you. If you want to go and buy some coin, let's say from this range, you just put on HyperTrader new limit buy, then you go to the ladder and you select the other tool, the end price, and then select how much orders you want. You can click, I don't know how max, 20 max, I don't know. I will say 5 times the amount and then you click buy and that's it. That's how easy it's on HyperTrader. With using Binance or their app, you will be doing 5 times the time you need to click it. Everything is smooth, just you right click and that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you will subscribe and see you soon.